everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian Architect. In today's video, we're going to discuss on the AutoCAD user interface. These are the table of content that we will be going through today. Without further ado, let's get started. As soon as you open your AutoCAD, you will see your screen will be something like this. On the left side, you have a Get Started column, in which you want to start a new drawing. You can simply click on the Start Drawing here. Or else, if you do have any specific template that you want to use, you can click on the downward button arrow here. Or you can go to the Open File, open a sheet set, get more template online, or you can explore a sample drawing. And in the middle here, you have the Recent Document columns, in which that you open recently. It will be appear in middle section here. And on the right side, you have a notification icon, and also you have a connect to your AutoCAD account. So to start a new drawing, simply click on this part here, and it will automatically bring you to the drawing area. First one that we're going to talk about is the application button, which is on the top left side on your screen. By left click, you can see a frequently used command button here. For example, a new drawing, open file, and then you can save, and then save as to normal AutoCAD drawing, or you can have a drawing template. You can click and import, export, publish, or even a printing option also available in this part. And most important part in this application button is that drawing utilities, in which you can find the drawing properties, drawing compare, and the units. And then the next part is the quick access toolbar. This toolbar contains most of the frequently used tools from the application button. To add or remove an option from the quick access toolbar, you can simply click arrow pointing downward at the end of the toolbar and check or uncheck so that you can view or hide the option here. And the next part that we're going to talk about is the info bar. In the input field of the info bar, which you can type in a keyword, you can type the name of any command or tool to get more information about it for AutoCAD. You can simply type the name of the command and hit the enter button to get the help from the Autodesk help. And the next part that we're going to talk about is the ribbon area. Contain most of the tools and commands that oftentimes used when working with a drawing. For example, Home, Insert, Annotate are the most commonly used tabs that we'll be using when you are working with your drawing. These ribbon tools are properly arranged into different tabs and panels. Now, let's take a look at the Home tabs. It contains Draw, Modify, Annotation, Layers, and Others panel. These areas are called panels, which in turn contain most of the frequently used commands in AutoCAD. This panel and tab position or view can be hide or unhide by simply right-click on any of the panel. Now let's take a look. If we right-click from this Modify, then you can see that the Show tabs and Show panels appear. And then move your cursor to the Show tabs, then you can see the item that have been ticked is basically the item that you will be able to see. For example, 3D tools, there's no check mark here, means you won't be able to see. Now let's left click these 3D tools to make it visible. As you can see, it's appear at the top here. Now let's right click again, Show tabs, and we uncheck the 3D tools. Then you won't be able to see at the panel tabs again. The File tab shows the drawing files that are open in current session of the AutoCAD. You can open as many file tabs as you want, and to open any new blank drawing, you can click on the plus icon at the very last File tabs here. And moving on, we will discuss on the navigation bar on the right side. So you have your view cube here. Is basically indicate the current orientation of a model and is used to reorient the current view of a model. This view cube is suitable when you are working with a 3D drawing. And the right side here is the navigation bar. You can find such as full navigation, pan, zoom extend, and orbit, and so on. And the next one is the selection cursor. This is the cursor that shows up on the AutoCAD screen, and it's basically two perpendicular lines with a small square shape at the center of the intersection of the line. This is the default state of the cursor. However, you may find the selection cursor look different on another computer. Moving on is the UCS, or it stands for the User Coordinate System. It's basically show you the X, Y, and Z direction of the Cartesian coordinate system in drawing area. And next is the command line. At the bottom of the drawing area, you will see the command line. Basically, all your type command will show up in this command line. You don't need to click on the command line to begin typing any of the AutoCAD command. In the case that the command line is not appear in the drawing area, simply press Ctrl 9 keys to turn it on. And next one is the layout tabs. The layout tabs are like the sheets of your drawing on which you can arrange different views of the drawing. And last but not least is the status bar toggles. The option in the status bar helping in making precise drawings. The tools such as object snaps help you to select precise point, such as the midpoint, endpoint of any geometry. While the other tools such as polar and orthomode help you to make lines that are inclined at any angle or horizontal and vertical lines. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you guys again on my next video of the AutoCAD Introduction Part 2.